just want the honeys with the blue faces. Blue bottles, blue beamer, speed racer. Money team, Indy P, team player. Ballin' like Steph Curry, let the green lay up. I just want the honeys with the blue faces. Blue bottles, blue beamer.
Guys, welcome to Real Stuff, No Fluff. I'm your host, Angela Nixon. Today it's time to boss up and do what you need to do to get your money. All right, you guys, I'm in a funny, quirky-like mood today because it's sunny outside in San Diego. Little wind. That's the weather report for today. But I got errands to run today, and I'm going to get my butt on up out there and do those errands. But I didn't want to do that until I went over Printful with you guys. What I do need from you guys, let me tell you something. I need something from you guys. Listen, come here. I need you guys to tell me what it is you want me to talk about. What business venture are you interested in so that I can give you the real stuff, no fluff. If you need to know a little bit more about Printful, then ask me. Come on. I need to know that. Anyways, let's get started making some money today. All right? All right, here we go. In behind my screen here, I have Printful. Let's go over it real quick. Move it down here. I might disappear, you guys, but be patient. All right. I like to start with the Printful's Gildan 64,000 unisex t-shirts. It's nice, soft. I don't have one on today. Today I have on all style. But normally you see me in my black shirt, and that black shirt that I have is a Gildan 64,000 or 6400, whatever. Those shirts are good to start off with. Also, they're $8.95, including the print. Can't go wrong with that, right? Start off. That means I could upcharge my shirt to $21 easily. Also, this shirt only comes in, let's see, white, black, navy blue, and gray. Those colors are actually really good colors to start off with. A lot of people like black t-shirts or navy blue shirts, right? So those are the shirts that are popular to sell. When you look at other colors, you might want to look at the Bella. I only use other colors when it comes to special events. For example, breast cancer. Breast Cancer Month, definitely I want to sell shirts that are pink and with designs that have pink in them. But for today, I want to get you started with a $8.95. There we go again. $8.95 t-shirt. Get it right. Okay, maybe my afro need to be fixed in order for me to speak correctly today. So with that, we're going to come up with a couple of really quick designs that you can do right now to post on your social media accounts today. All right. Also, later on in the future, we will talk about how to host and start your own website from scratch. Hardly no money, like really not a lot of money. Okay. All right. So here we go. I've already selected the shirt. Has 120 reviews. Some people got reviews. They're gonna say good things, bad things. Still, 4.5 stars works for me, right? So what I like about Printful is they have this add text. Add text. We can start a t-shirt just by adding simple text. So let's say if maybe you feel I'm feeling a little sassy today. So I will go sassy. All right, you can't see it because it's on a black shirt. I'm going to change the color here to white. And then that's kind of boring looking. So I'm going to make it a cursive look. Sassy baby. Add another text. I'm going to put the word and. Make and just a little smaller. Place it right under there. Add another text, and we're going to say classy. And then I'm going to drag this down here, and I'm going to make this as large as I can. It never fails. I will get a phone call while I'm on the line with you guys. But we're going to keep going. All right. So here we go. We make classy as large as we can. Voila. Now I have a nice t-shirt design that took me less than a couple of minutes to make. We'll hit generate files. As you know from my past video, I like just the flat mock-up. And we say generate files. And I'll make my own music instead of no, I'm gonna make my own sounds. Download, and voila! Here we have our sassy and classy mock-ups. Maybe it's classy and sassy, I don't know, but nonetheless, we have some wonderful t-shirt designs ready to sell today. All right, and we can make that shirt $21.99. Do not cheapen yourself, but if you must, just do an entry level. I would need some customers. $18.99 is a price that I would highly suggest. So let's do another one. I like to always do some, do like 2 different types of fonts. Same font works, but let's do 2 different types of fonts, right? So we go to the add text, right? And let's say we're going to put the word hella. I want it capital. E-L-L-A, hella. All right. And I'm going to make hella big. And once again, you can't see it. So what are we going to do? Go and change the color down here. That looks plain. Hella. And we're going to change the font. I like that font we just used. So there we go. Right? We filling it. And you see the line in the middle lets us know that that's centered. We go right under the box where we hit hella. We hit another text. And I'm going to hit my caps. I'm going to say dope. Now remember I want to try 2 texts. You want to try 2 types of fonts. All right? So I'm going to get a bold font. I think I want something much bolder than that. Maybe this one might. Yeah, that works for me. All right. Yeah, that works really good. All right. So now we'll stretch that out a little bit just to be right under it. And we have a different design that is, to me, hella dope. Generate the files. Select the flat. And then we do our song. Do 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 do. I sound gonna do my own sound, right? Do 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 do. Hopefully we'll get. Hey, there we go. Download files. There we go. So once again, we open it up, and what do we have? A hella dope design ready to post on my social media networks, telling people, look, I made this cute design ready for you to purchase. So there you have it, guys. Did we not do a good job? And we just did 2 quick designs really quick using Printful. How awesome is that? I'm not sure if anybody else has that. And we could add pictures. We could upload pictures. This is a good way to start making money and posting. If you have Instagram, Snapchat, whatever social media you have, Pinterest, put it up now, right? Make your money. Have a blessed day. This is your host once again with Real Stuff, No Fluff, Angela Nixon. I'm going to go out there in them streets and enjoy the day. But I want to make sure that my followers have that option today to make their money. Stay blessed. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.